10:30. We've been trying our best.
Don't sod all.
Wednesday, the 23rd? 22nd?
23rd, yeah.
23rd. As usual, waiting for scaffold on site. We're just finishing off a couple of garages. We've been filming it. So it's not looking like we're going to get any scaffold before next week. So this is a job one of our family members has been waiting for quite a few months. So we're getting this organised today. We've been running around trying to get hold of double bullnose bricks. You've probably seen in the video before, we've got loads in the back. We just need solids for the ends of the pillars. And we can't get them.
Nope.
We're waiting for one more company to ring us up. So hopefully they've got them. We've been around all kinds of places. We might just end up having to fill the holes up with red mortar, which looks a bit crap, but there's nothing much else we can do with them. So we've it's 10:30 now. We've had a brew. We've driven around the builders merchants. The rain stopped, waiting for our skip. So we're just going to start knocking it down now. So we'll take it out of the van in a second, show you what's happening, what we're doing. There's an original coping on the top, but it's battered. There's too many of them damaged to reuse them, and we just can't get hold of them. So we're just going to use the double bull noses to make it similar. So it should look nice. I'm using St. Anne's smooth reds, a 75mm brick. They're coming tomorrow. But it's meant to rain all day tomorrow, so I think we're back Friday, Saturday to get the wall built. So we'll get out of this van now and see what we can do. That's it. Drop it and rebuild it. It's all a bit knackered. So these are okay. Oh. The posts are staying. They're a bit wonky, but they're staying in. Too much to try and straighten them up. Then we're going to drop this and rebuild it back exactly the same. So the railings will go back on it. So we need our bull noses for the end of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just struggling to get them. It's well gone, it's all blown and falling over. It's just a shame we can't reuse these. So they're too damaged. So that's it. It's look very nice with all the stuff growing out of it. On Wednesday, I missed 2.
Target for today. So we wish you best of luck with that. And here we go.
I'll just get it piled up for now.
Whitney Houston spent 10 years at number 1 in 1992 and 93 with her.
Big piece of hard mortar here.
Yeah. We'll salvage these. We'll put these on eBay to get rid of them. Not perfect, but I'm sure someone will want them. We could have done with a few, but obviously we haven't got them for the pillars, so we're going to go for the complete new top. coming down pretty easy as it looks like it's been built with soil.
These have gone into the this post.
Yeah, oh well. It's one of those gravity walls, it's only held up with gravity.
And a lot of bloody plants.
Yeah. And snails and worms. Everything but what you need. And there's a virgin cable. What? An inch under the top of the soil? Look, we didn't go at that with a spade.
The song Shoot the Dog takes a minute or two for Hook Singer. John Waite, 1964. Bad luck, that was missing you. Okay, bonus question, heard but not seen. You're going to hear part of the only solo hit for the singer Paul Da Vinci, called You.
Straighten the skip now.
Shove it on the air, so that's
Alright. Paid for a firm, we don't really need it.
Right.
Because it's coming back to it today.
Is it?
There's no need to leave it overnight, is there? Because it's going to be finished in full. All we'll have for these cement bags.
What?
All we'll have to go in there is cement bags.
I'm going to get filled.
Positive. Didn't film any of that.
Last time you were positive, we ended up with 3 skips.
No, what's left now?
A what?
Alright, we'll start putting them in like that then.
There's no harm in it.
Really keep a few of the good ones, you know, for in the house.
For what?
Patching on the house.
What patching?
If it needs any bricks patching in the future, you can't get these anymore.
They should still politics. Their spokesperson insisted that the Duke's words in particular did not relate to any specific
That's the wall down.
50 whales were initially rescued.
So they're coming back for this today. Get off the road, even though we paid for the permit. Here's they're going on eBay. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19 and a half. Not all brilliant, but they would look nice on any wall. Any old wall. Just really just haven't got enough. Can't get hold of them. Alex is just finishing the last section up there. I'm just going to get the grinder on this and tidy it up.